and in this video we first of all have a new setup because you guys now can finally see my screen because I'm back from vacation, so you guys can see my screen and everything. It's pretty cool. So, secondly, Bitcoin is currently doing something really interesting what I wanted to show you guys, because everyone of course knows that in the last few days we have been pumping like crazy. Basically yesterday the crazy pump started, and this pump is just absolutely insane. It went basically parabolic and we're just keeping on pumping. Tonight we also saw a massive pump again, and my Bitcoin longs are currently in a pretty juicy profit, and I will show those in just a second. I can probably show you guys them already if I'm logged in. Let me quickly show you guys this. Yes, I'm logged in, so you guys can see I'm currently in about $200 in profit with about 4.8% in actual profits, of course, in like percentage wise. So yeah, my longs are currently doing pretty good. Of course, everyone knows that I have entered longs here and about 27k, so my average entry price is around 26,300. So yeah, what am I currently expecting for Bitcoin? Well, we have to look actually at this pattern. You guys can see that Bitcoin is still creating this massive move, like here over on the as you guys can see over on the 1-day chart. And in my opinion, there are only two scenarios that can play out for Bitcoin. It's either we're going to already bounce out of this range, break out of this range like shown at this line, and then just continue higher all the way to $31,000 and potentially all the way at $35,000. But we could also see one more retracement back to this $25,000 level. This is also where the 170 moving average MA is. So yeah, this is also a pretty interesting moving average, because we can see this clearly provided a lot of support as well. So yeah, there are just a lot of things that are currently holding up the Bitcoin price, and that's why I'm currently not seeing any reason for us to dump lower. And that's why I think 25k could be hit another time, just to be sure. A potential double bottom, of course, which is also bullish, and then just a straight line to the upside. Of course, also if you go to my YouTube channel, let me quickly show you guys this, then you can see that I've been predicting this exact move basically for the last few days. As you guys can see, we can see that I've been bullish all along. Basically since 4 days ago I was bullish and I started opening my long positions. I did open my long positions a bit too early, but yeah, I also told you guys to open long positions at 25k, and they're currently doing extremely well. Some viewers that are currently watching this are probably in some good profits if you followed my trades. Even if you followed all my trades, you're still in a juicy profit already. So yeah, I posted all my trades also on my Telegram, but I also just posted them here over on my YouTube. So yeah, you can go to the first link in the description. Also, there's currently a really interesting event currently running, because if you go to the first link in my description, then you can see that you will be able to claim a $55 deposit bonus by depositing $100 to ByBit. And yes, this is actually pretty interesting and pretty cool, because they're currently hosting this spring showers event, which means that if you sign up through the first link in the description, you will get a $55 deposit bonus completely for free. All you need to do is deposit $100. So yeah, back to the charts, we can also see that we're currently being held up perfectly by this massive support line right here. And this is massive support. It was a lot of support here and here. So yeah, it's currently supporting perfectly basically, and that's why I also think that we're not going to get another leg lower, because of course a lot of people are currently thinking another leg lower, why wouldn't something like this make sense? Well, because we have a lot of support around this area. See, here we didn't have much support, so there wasn't really a reason for us to support at this level, because there just simply wasn't any support. But here we have this massive support line right here, this upward sloping support line. We have of course the $25,000 support, we got a moving average support. So yeah, there's just a lot of support right here. So yeah, that's why I'm also thinking that currently the bottom, the local bottom is currently in, and we could potentially see at least $30,000 and potentially a lot higher for Bitcoin. And that's also what I'm anticipating. That's how I'm trading. I currently have my trade open. I will keep it open all the way to at least $30,000 and potentially even higher. We have to see how the markets look, of course. But yeah, that's currently what I'm trading, currently what I'm seeing for the markets. We're currently seeing that we are getting some resistance here, but still, there's not much resistance in here over on the 4-hour chart. There's just basically no resistance at all, and there's a chance we could pump all the way to $27,400 over the weekend. Of course, make sure to do note that we're currently creating a CME gap, and the CME gap is going to get created if we keep pumping on higher. We already have a small CME gap because we pumped in the night, and CME was closed, of course. So yeah, we're currently creating a little bit of a CME gap, so there is a chance that we're still getting that retracement back to 25k like I showed you guys, but after that I'm pretty sure we're going to the fucking moon. That's all I can say right now. I'm pretty bullish. Everyone was calling at $25,000 for lower. I was bullish and that really paid off at the moment. That being said, that was the video for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And that being said, I hope I'll see you in my next emergency video or just in my next analysis video.